Hi everyone, this is Aaron. In this video, I'll talk about how you can write a program to calculate the tangent to a relation at a given point. And this is how the final program will look like. So first, you need to specify the relation. And I'll just use a circle for demonstration. Then you need to specify a point on the relation. For example, it can be 1 over root 2, negative 1 over root 2. Then it'll tell you that the equation of the tangent is y equals x minus root 2. This line is completely optional. Right, so with that in mind, let's start programming. I'll just call the name of this function tangent, and we'll use a program. First of all, let's work out the input. This is simple. The input is just going to be the relation and the x and y coordinate of the point. So I'll let R represent the relation, A be the x coordinate, and B be the y coordinate. Now, let's think about what we need to do to calculate the equation of the tangent. Since we already have a point on the tangent, all that we need now is the gradient, isn't it? And to calculate the gradient, we can use implicit differentiation. Note that we're assuming that the relation is in terms of x and y. Otherwise, we need to use even more inputs. But I don't think that is necessary, so I'll just assume that they're x and y. So to calculate the gradient at that point, we need to sub in x equals a and y equals b. And this thing will now be the gradient. Since we'll use this later, we'll just store it as a variable called m. And to prevent this from interfering with other definitions of m outside this function, we'll localize it. Next, we just need to compute the equation of the tangent. And if you recall the formula, it's just y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And in this case, y1 is b, x1 is a. Right, and just to make things even clearer, let's solve for y to make this the standard equation y equals mx plus c. So now all that we need to do is to display it, and this program would be complete. Right, so now let's test it. I'll just use the same input to test this new program. Let me think what had went wrong. Alright, I forgot to put in a multiplication sign. Yeah, now this time it should work. Perfect. Yep. And if you want to add in this line, you can just do display tangent at this, and it should be what I have got before. Yep. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you would write a program to calculate the tangent line to a relation at a given point. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel to see my future videos. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.